Hi guys, welcome back. I'm doing some works on the DT and today we're gonna see how to bleed the front brake and because I see in the last kilometers it's not braking properly. From here we can see the way of the lever is longer than before. This work is needed. So I don't want to change also the braking pads because they are okay. So as we can see from here, in the middle there is the braking disc and the pads are perfect. So let's do it. So guys, here we are. I put the right key here in place and now I can put also this. Okay, we are here on the brake pump and we just have to unscrew this. I pump and then I just open here and as you can see there are some bubbles there, not a lot but little bubbles are coming out. So I continue this operation until there are no more bubbles. So during this work, when you see that the level comes down here, just add a little bit of brake fluid .4 in my case and continue the work until there are no more bubbles. Don't throw the liquid away because it's dangerous and you have to recycle it in a proper way. Then we replace the small piece here. So it's closed. Remember you to polish here if there is any brake fluid because it's not good, and also here just like that. So guys, that's okay. I didn't expect it that it was in these good conditions. There were quite no bubbles and so very good. From here is all and bye.